The big thing for me is that Bristol is a powerful city with a fantastic story to tell to the rest of the world.
Could you tell us your name and what you do?
My name is Mia Jeksen.
I'm Luke.
I am Andrew Wood.
My name's Kieran Hawkes.
My name's Kirsty.
My name's Hannah.
My name is Robert.
I'm Lucy.
I'm Amy.
I'm Bea.
My name is Mary Jane Rayner.
My name is Ian McCallum.
And I play Ingrid in Fortitude.
I play Vincent in Fortitude.
I'm the producer.
I am the director of Fortitude.
I'm one of the assistant production coordinators. And I'm the other assistant coordinator.
And I work as a movie stills photographer.
I'm the hair and makeup designer.
I'm a hair and makeup artist.
And I'm the hair and makeup trainee.
I am a costume designer.
And I am the unit publicist for Fortitude #3.
There's so many different roles in the film industry, and that's the best thing, and that's actually what I was never taught. You know, in my head I wanted to be a massive film director and a big TV director and all that stuff. So I actually spent a lot of time learning about film while I was struggling to become a director. But it is tough, and you just have to be very focused.
I remember sitting under the stage with my costumes, listening to the big actors and to the older actors, and I remember thinking, this is what I want to do. Yeah.
I still feel like the sort of 16-year-old kid who loves drama at school, and and is being told that they can get, you used to rehearse in classrooms like this, didn't you, for your drama GCSE, and then suddenly, it's like fake snow, got like great actors doing stuff. There's like, you're really there with the camera and you're on set and stuff. So for me, it's still like that really all the time, and I just feel lucky to be able to do it.
So the most challenging is to capture the right moment.
I got to go to Svalbard as well, which was amazing, and I could never imagine being able to actually do something like that in this kind of work.
Oh my goodness, this is an extraordinary script, and it took you in so many different directions, and then to see everything come together and to meet the various different characters who have made this the series that it is.
We had a very expensive, very amazing prosthetic chest made where it gets hacked open basically.
The story of the script is told around this piece of costume. It's drawn onto it, and the story of my crew and the time I had in it is stitched in every seam. I'm particularly fond of that.
I've been very fortunate. I've worked in about 40 countries in the world. The more difficult the country is, the more rewarding it is, because you've many more challenges.
Yeah, my name's Marvin Rees. I'm the Mayor of Bristol. The way I see young people in the city is a bunch of hope, but people needing to make the right decisions. And so often people make decisions with the tools we put in their hands. If we don't put right tools in their hands, people don't have all the equipment they need to make good decisions. So I want to work with young people as a real partner in shaping the future of Bristol, because ultimately they'll inherit the city, and they're already shaping it now.
I think the opportunities that you've had today are really useful, and I wish that when I had been a lot younger that such opportunities had been made available to me.
We've got dramas, but there's game shows, there's lots of suppliers here as well, so it's like a little community almost at the bottom yard.
I love Bristol. I really, really do. It's very arty.
The big thing for me is that Bristol is a powerful economy, it's a powerful city with a fantastic story to tell to the rest of the world.